The 1, 2, 3 read of an object is a concept used when choosing the best possible light direction to explain the form of an object with value. When rendering with value, no outlines are used to separate the surface changes of an object. All surfaces are defined by their differences in value. Having three clearly different values on an object will make it read well. In real life, objects are not surrounded by outlines. Our brains discern form through light, medium, and dark values. The strong shift in value between the three visible sides of an object is referred to as an object's 1, 2, 3 read. A strong 1, 2, 3 read ensures that the viewer will naturally read all surfaces clearly and the volume will appear three-dimensional. The 1 to 3 read applies to organic shapes as well.
If you have got any value from this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more.